Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. All of these beautiful patterns of kurti embroidery designs are specifically designed for white kurti, for a different type of lighter shades like pastel colors, like cream color, like white color, like off-white color, or any lighter tone. So kindly I would request you to exactly use the color combination of threads the same way in which you are seeing onto your design screens, because if you change the color combination, the overall output or the overall impact would look something different from the one you have seen. These buttons are very decent, elegant and delicate. You can make use of them for making these onto your blouse necklines, onto your shirt neckline, onto your kurti neckline, onto your sweatshirt, onto your t-shirt, onto your normal everyday bot neck shape, v-neck shape, and different type of stylized patterns of neckline kurtis could be aligned and designed along with following these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. So if you are new to my channel, haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, share, and please uh, in the comment section let us know that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, and we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic intent and purpose of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share some beautiful designs of handwork, hand art, hand embroidery, along with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery, along with the community who really like the designs of hand art and hand embroidery. So thank you so much. This was all for today. Stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos. Now I'm showing you some embroidery pattern. Like this, you have to make a pattern, and after making or implanting that pattern, you can make the embroidery design. Thank you so much.